Um, okay, we can get started here. Welcome all to People's Impact Network. We are starting a new series today, Instant Pot Cooking with Kirti. And she will be cooking dal, I think, today, and she will be helped by her husband back of the camera. So thank you to Kirti and
Abhijit.
Abhijit. And without further ado, I will actually turn it over to Kirti, and she can introduce herself and get started.
Thanks, Kalai.
Yeah.
So, hi all, and thank you for joining us on the Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon for a few of you. So, my name is Kirti Shrikhande, and I live in Pennsylvania. I'm really grateful and thankful to Kalai and the PIN network to giving me this opportunity. I've attended a few sessions when my friends did it with PIN, and we were trying to start this series for a longest period of time. Um, okay, but then now, since we are here, let me just introduce quickly. I am Kirti Shikhande, and I am a school psychologist by profession. I work with special kids uh, full time, but cooking has always been my passion. And so we started catering, we started cooking, we started the YouTube channel. So Instant Pot I have been using for like past 4 years now, 4+ years I would say. And whenever I talk about Instant Pot, people say that it is in the box and we haven't even opened it. And I'm like, why? Why would you not open it? So they're like, no, it's time consuming. We don't understand why we should use it. Um, so, uh, so I started talking about Instant Pot more than before, and started having these Facebook sessions with some Marathi mandals, and we got like really great response. Before we start, if you have, I mean, I hope many of you have this machine at home. If not, I will talk about the basics of it. But if you have it, I don't want to waste my time talking about like the basics of it. So if you can put yourself, I mean, put the video on, that will be awesome, because otherwise it's just I'm talking to myself. I cannot see anyone right now.
You're right. I'm with you. If you all can turn on your videos, that will be
Thank
great.
you. Great. Thank you, guys, ladies. Thank you so much, ladies, gentlemen. I don't know who all are here right now.
We have got
Okay,
a
so, um, okay. So can we just say thumbs up if we are using the Instant Pot for a long time? Great. So we are veterans here. We are not the new to this. That's great. So we know the basics of it. I'm assuming now. We know what is NPR, that is natural pressure release. What is pressure cook? What is manual mode? What is saute mode? So what we are going to do is today we are going to make basic dal. Basic dal is tuar dal, the pigeon. What do you call it? That dal, and but I'm going to do dal tadka in Instant Pot. Okay. Well, I took this dal because this is the basic dal which we all cook at home. Now, Vimi said that she wanted some other dal like moong dal or some other dals. But in my opinion, I use this dal like the tuar dal and moong dal together also with the same timing, that is 12 to 15 minutes. If you are in Colorado, like if you are in the high altitude, I will always add 2 more minutes to any cooking, 1 to 2 minutes to any cooking, because higher altitude takes more time. So my friend in Colorado always calls me and asks me why my dal is still stiff, why my dal is not cooked. And that is the reason, because of the high altitude. So if you are in that area or those cities, please add at least 1 to 2 minutes. And I always say that play with the gadget. If it's your phone, if it's your Instant Pot, if it's your cooker, whatever, play with it. You need to understand the gadget before you start using it. So if you say, my dal is not cooked perfectly, write it down. What did I do this time and what I should do next time? So always, sometimes the rice comes mushy. Like people say, my rice, it got stuck. I mean, it's stuck on my Instant Pot base, and or opposite, like it's not cooked at all. So what I do is I put 6 minutes, any rice, like be it Sona Masuri, be it Basmati, 1:2 is my proportion to any rice. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and 6 minutes, 6 minutes to 6 minutes manual high, and then I do quick release after 2 minutes. So 6 minutes are done. My Instant Pot has gone on the keep warm mode, and then I wait for 2 minutes and I do a quick release. So once the pressure is out, I take out the inner pot outside, because the coil in my Instant Pot is obviously very hot. So it keeps cooking, and we don't want that. So we see the burn sign. So we see that my rice is stuck. Just take it out, keep it aside, and fluff the rice if you can. That helps a lot when you are making like plain rice. Honestly speaking, plain rice, pulao, and basic veg biryani. I would not say chicken biryani, but basic veg biryani. Oh, sorry, I was reading that and like somebody asked something. So basic rice, any basic rice like veg pulao, veg biryani, or rice, like the plain rice or plain jeera rice, 6 minutes, 1:2 is my measurement always. And I do manual high, and after 6 minutes are over, 2 minutes, do the pressure release and take the inner pot outside and fluff the rice. And if this fails, please send me a WhatsApp message. Let's see why it failed. It will not fail. I've been using it for a long time. So today what I did is I just soaked my 1 cup of tur dal. But this is just because I wanted to make sure everything is ready. But normally I would just wash it and put it in my Instant Pot. That's about it. Today I just soaked it because, as I said, like I didn't want to go and wash it in front of you guys. We all know how to wash the dal. So this is the 1 cup of dal, and this is 1 cup of Sona Masuri rice. These are the containers which we usually get with the Indian pressure cookers. So these go really well in any Instant Pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make dal rice like how you would do at home every day without any tadka, nothing. It's just 1 cup of, half cup of dal and 1 cup of rice. I'm using these 2 containers which came with my Indian pressure cooker. And I'm going to show you how we are going to go about it. So this particular ring, the blue ring, I got from Amazon. So usually I use the blue ring for tadka wali sabzi and chicken, all these things. So my ring doesn't become yellow. Usually all our beautiful white rings are yellow in color, I don't know what, and they smell really bad, and different rings for different flavors. That's what is my mantra. So what I do is I usually use the dark blue ring, which did not come with Instant Pot, but I bought it from Amazon. This is one of the accessory I would ask each and every one of you to just go and invest in. there are tons and tons of accessories. We don't need all of them. So color coding helps me to differentiate, or let's say it helps my husband to differentiate. He wouldn't just come and put anything in anywhere, because end of the day, no, I don't want my kheer or my pudding to smell like dal. So this ring, the red ring, I always, 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 and only use for all kind of sweets. So this ring smells nice with all the dry fruits and all that stuff. Usually it smells like that. This does smell, but then Instant Pot is best because everything can go in your dishwasher. Everything is dishwasher safe. So this is one tip I have always given to everyone. I have always followed till date, that this ring, the red ring, goes in my, I use it for my all sweets, and the the blue ring I use only for like my non-veg food or any curries, tadkas, dals. So this ring, it goes in here. Do you all know that the entire lid can go in dishwasher? This lid goes in dishwasher. I'm not sure.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah. This thing, the entire lid goes in dishwasher.
But really?
Yes.
Lower rack or upper rack?
Upper rack. That's what I was just saying. Upper rack, lower rack, been there, done that, and I broke the lid.
Oh, okay, good.
So upper rack is my, obviously, I mean, this is recommended. This thing also comes out. I don't take it out because only this thing also comes out. Usually I don't take it out, but if I'm fermenting something, then that's when I would say that just take this out. Or yogurt, because when it's a lot of condensation has happened, I take this out.
But it's hard to put it back, right?
It's not. It just, it just clicks in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But as I said, I mean, it's not honestly necessary to take it out, because it doesn't, it doesn't smell. It doesn't, it's easy to clean just in the dishwasher.
But what's the feature of that? What does it do in the fermentation?
Nothing. In fermentation, what happens, the food, it comes up and it can touch here. And
so
then
what is the part, this part you're telling us, what does it do in the cooking process?
It's for your whistle.
Okay, got it.
It comes with the, it goes down.
So pressure banata hai, pressure banata hai. Oh,
yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that comes out. Thank you.
Yeah, this comes out. Obviously, we all know the whistle, it comes out.
Yeah.
So whistle goes in dishwasher also.
Oh.
I know many people they don't know about this.
I don't. I just put it in my. Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah,
this thing, the lid can sit here.
Yes, that is a good one.
Don't, because what happens, the condensation, all the water, it goes in the ring, and the ring, in this condensation cup, every liquid or everything, it's collected here, and then you just throw it and wash it. So condensation cup, again, people ask, like, where does this go? What's the necessity of it? It is very necessary, because if the fluid or the liquid from your ring, it's here in the inner ring. Can you see it?
Yeah.
If it collects this ring and it goes down, then it drips on your countertop. So this thing makes sure that it is all the fluids is collected in this. So we need to wash it thoroughly every time when you use it. Otherwise, it can become moldy.
But it's hard to put it back on if you take it out.
No, not at all.
Just snap back.
You just have to actually look down. That's about it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
just snap
look
back
down, and there are notches there. 2 notches. Just take it out and put the notch in the notch back.
Okay.
Kirti, I have lost mine and I don't use that anymore. Apart
Yeah,
from
me too.
flipping onto the counter, is there any other importance to it or no? Okay.
I mean,
And
you
I
don't
had a
use
question.
it. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
Sorry.
like I wanted to ask you a question on the ring itself. That space between the pot and the see that black part, that you just showed on top. How do
Yes.
you clean that? That's very hard to clean in between.
Oh, I
Oh,
take
okay.
chaku and kapda and go around it.
Yeah, even I do
Exactly.
that.
But
Like I
this
do
is
with
a
a
dollar
spoon.
store hack. You
Okay.
get it in dollars, so like $5 for $1.
What is it called?
I think it's paintbrush.
Ha, paintbrush. Yeah, yeah.
Paintbrush.
So
Oh,
it's a
okay.
paintbrush,
What a
and you
beautiful
clean it
idea.
like this.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
good. Thank you.
Look here.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
I
That's
had
another question.
actually, I wanted somebody to ask this question. I didn't clean it since yesterday. Look at this.
That was my next
Oh.
question, actually.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
struggle.
My
because I
other
struggle
part,
with
no,
that.
my guy, ladies, I clean it. See, my other
Oh,
part
okay.
is spick
Oh,
and
that
span.
was new.
Usually it is like this. No,
Thank you,
yesterday
Kirti.
pav bhaji in it, so a lot of condensation had happened, but then I kept it like that because I wanted to show it to you. Usually I would just clean it then and there. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Thank you
So,
for that, Kirti. Yeah.
of
Very
course.
good tip. Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
a
Yeah.
good
it's very
tip.
small and inexpensive to have. And
But I
as
have a hard time
Viniji
putting that
said,
thingy back, that cup back.
huh?
So the cup that drips, it's very hard to put it back. So I have kept it on the side. I don't
Yeah,
use
you
it.
can. Do you have it right now in front of you?
No, not now.
Okay.
I don't know where
Otherwise,
it is.
we would have just put it back.
Oh, okay.
No, don't worry. That's okay. You can try it again.
Okay.
उसको
Whenever
तो
you-
जोर से मारो लग जाता है थप करो वो
Really,
लग जाता
Neelam?
है
Yeah, there
Okay.
is a notch. Actually, Simaji, there is a small notch. Like it has a rail.
yeah
Okay.
You
हाँ
just put it inside that rail. It
Okay.
fits in the bracket.
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
try again.
Try it and text me if
I-
it's.
I
then I'll
tried
make a
it
video
once and I
send
gave
it
up.
to you.
And by the way, my name is Gayatri, but my
I'm
daughter
sorry.
has put her
I'm
name
sorry.
on my iPad, so it comes as Seema.
I know it does because
Sorry.
I can see a couple of my friends with their kids' names on it.
Yeah.
I'm
She
sorry.
uses the iPad for her daughter's class, so she has put it as Seema. And everybody thinks it's Seema.
No.
I'll change it.
Anyways, so let's get started with our basic dal. Dal, but with tadka in it and not like just dal rice. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I just took the inner pot. Okay. Put it. And I'm just going to move this thing back. Can you see the pot?
Yes.
perfect dear
Okay, awesome. So I'm putting it on saute mode.
okay
It's on saute mode and it's on high pressure.
High.
So when you want saute to go down,
Hmm.
just click the and pressure, adjust and plus or minus.
Okay, got it.
Do you see it?
Hmm.
So we put saute, pressure, adjust and pressure. So we'd want to go high. Saute
Okay.
high.
Uh.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now I'm going to wait and chit chat. We want this thing to go on hot.
hot yeah
Okay.
We don't want to
Yeah.
start any cooking when it comes to giving any tadka or any tempering
Mhm.
without this pot turning hot.
Mhm.
Otherwise, your rye will never splutter and you will put the instant pot back in your box and tell me it didn't splutter.
Okay.
So always wait. Okay. So meanwhile, this is going on hot. What we do is, I have another pot here. This is these two are the 6 quart pots I'm showing today. One is Duo and one is Duo Gourmet. With this I got from Costco. The other one, which is going on saute mode, I got it from Amazon.
What's the difference for the gourmet?
The gourmet has that sous vide technology. It has brown rice. It has, and as we all know, Costco gives a lot of extra accessories with it. Costco always comes with something added, you know. So there are, and this is new. This is like 4 or 5 years back. So this is an
Oh,
old
okay.
machine now.
Okay.
So any new machine will come with added advantages.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So what they have added is here, if you see this, the clicker.
Mhm.
So this is their pressure release button. It doesn't have
Oh.
anything here.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah, so it just like you press it and the pressure is released.
Oh, wow. वो
Yeah,
shoo shoo नहीं करेगा.
yeah, exactly.
Ah.
So this you press it and it goes.
और इसमें से धुआं निकलता है?
Little bit, yes.
Little bit. Okay.
Yeah. So
So
this,
you don't have sealing and a venting on that, a sealing and a venting option? You don't have
no,
on that?
it doesn't. It doesn't. It automatically goes on sealing mode, and if you want to vent it, just press it.
I like this one.
Yeah, and it has the. I have actually made a video for like opening this particular Instant Pot. If you can see, there are tons and tons of extra buttons.
Yeah.
Other than my old one. My old one didn't have a sous vide. My old one didn't have the oatmeal, brown rice. I didn't have these buttons. Even the sterilize. If you have like small kids at home, and if you want to sterilize the bottles or something, it has the mode to that, to just to sterilize.
But in the old one, we have a rice feature. And I've tried cooking. It takes 12 minutes, but I never use it because in 6 minutes, 3 minutes, rice are cooked, right? So it
Right.
all depends what you're looking into.
Absolutely, absolutely. So honestly speaking, I don't use rice mode also.
Yeah.
I mean,
I just wanted to try, see what happens, right?
So I think my husband just put the link in the chat for the video for this particular model, the gourmet one, which we just made a few days back. So I also want to talk about this tall trivet. So when we're making dal in this particular, I mean the tadka wali dal here, what we can do is we can always put this trivet. It's a tall trivet. It's not like a small trivet which came with our Instant Pot. So what happens is the liquid is not on your dabbas or the container which you keep. What happens is when you put this one, it submerges in the water. So obviously the containers are like filled with all sorts of liquids. So we don't want that. So again, this one is a good investment, a tall trivet.
Ours came with a tall trivet. I bought it 2 years ago. Okay.
Yeah. So I have been using tall trivet for the longest period of time. So I think it has discolored also. It was nice silver. It has discolored because of my dishwasher.
I thought that was some fancy trivet that you have there, Kirti.
Huh?
Nice color. I thought that was some fancy trivet that you have there with a nice
You know
color.
what? I can sell myself with this
Yes.
now. This now. This is this is the cup I always use, which comes with all kinds of rice cookers. So when I say 1 cup, this is the cup I'm using for water and for anything. I mean, dal and everything. So what I'm going to, can you pass me the water, please? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make dal and rice on manual.
तो वो तो hot हो गया होगा दूसरा वाला Instapot की नहीं?
Hot ho gaya, so that's why I'm just putting this so we can start making
Okay.
both at the same time.
Oh, okay, okay. So if somebody has one Instapot, then they have to do the tadka first, wash it, and then use the trivet and dal chawal, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
I wanted to show both of the things. So
Yeah.
I thought of using both my pots.
Yeah, yeah. Saving time also
Hot
here.
water,
Yeah.
Kirti?
Huh?
You're using hot water?
I'm putting hot water, yes. So I'm going to talk about hot water when I put it in here.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is, this is how we usually do our dal, like put haldi, a pinch of hing,
Mm-hmm. I love
and
hing.
either oil or ghee. Little bit of oil or ghee.
Okay. That could be optional, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay.
This is like the basic dal, what you would make at home.
Yeah.
So every household has their own recipes.
Yeah.
I have put hot water today. Not every day I put it hot water, to be very honest, when I'm just making basic dal rice. And usually the dal container goes down because dal takes little extra time to cook.
So how much water did you put with half a cup dal?
I put 2 cups.
2 cups of water. Okay.
Yes, because see, dal water we can always take out, you know.
Yeah.
But rice it's little tricky to
Mhm.
take out. So dal, I'm okay if it is little thin or something. I can always take it out, use it in some other things. But rice, I usually make sure that I'm.
So Kirti, only half a cup of dal goes in this combination of cooking, or we can put more dal also to
Oh
cook?
no! You can put, like, if your dabba says it's okay to put 2 cups, just put it. I
Okay.
have a very small family, so I'm just making for my
Ah.
family. This is my tonight's dinner preparation.
Right. We have a big family of 5, so that's why I was wondering how much maximum dal I can cook in
So
this
I
way.
have made in this, like just dal, I have made up to 6 to 7 cups.
हाँ वो तो मैं वैसे ओपन तो बना लेती हूँ, but this combination of trivet you showed, इसमें
So up
कितने?
to 2 cups I have made it.
Okay, got it.
So I usually just put a lid on it. So if for any reason the rice comes up or anything, it's not on my main lid.
Right.
And I don't like that there could be a particular smell to sometimes to that water. We don't like that. So usually I put a lid on it. And okay, let me show you something else.
And how much water did you put below the trivet?
1 cup.
1 cup. Okay.
So this is lemon juice. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it inside the pot, like 2 dashes maybe.
What is that?
It keeps my inner pot clean.
Ah.
In India also, if you notice, we always put like small lemon wedge inside the pressure cooker. So my inner pot is usually clean because of this.
Oh, I've never knew that. We have
Yeah,
put wedges in the. We have put
you
wedges
see
in
my
the.
inner pot, it's
So clean.
It's always clean. So
Sorry, I missed that, like Kirti. Can you just tell me what is it that you put to clean it?
Just lemon juice.
Oh, okay.
2 dashes of lemon juice. I just put in my inner pot down when I'm cooking my basic dal rice.
Okay.
Today I don't have it, but usually what I do is I cut the beetroot, okay, and I put it on top. If my Instant Pot says no, there is no space here, I just put it down. And the beetroot is also cooked at the same time. Okay, so if you like just the beetroot, or if you like the beetroot,
Gajar.
Gajar will be very, very mushy.
Okay.
No.
Shalgam.
What is shalgam?
Turnip.
Turnip will be mushy also. Never
तो
tried it.
ये तो अच्छा बीटरूट का जूस भी पी लो फिर. It's good for skin.
Yes, because if we love beetroot in general, all of us.
We love.
I just cut it, put it, and they like it with chaat masala and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not sure.
So when you put beetroot, it submerges in the water, right?
It does. So what happens is, if the beetroot is small, what I do is I put it on the top. I just put it here.
Got it.
But if the beetroot is like really big, it may, so what, then in that case, just cut it like in 4 wedges maybe, and then it will be here. And this space is like around an inch or so. So we are good.
So can we put shakarkandi, yam?
Yam, yes.
Okay, got it.
Yam, yes. My husband tried avocado, but then
Boiling avocado? Huh.
yeah, he I don't know what he wanted to do, but he did.
Yeah, it's like you said, play around. So
Play around, yeah, he tried and it didn't
He
work
was-
because
he was listening to his boss.
I wish.
Do you have to put some water on the plate before
No.
you put the
No.
beetroot?
No,
Oh,
Yes, please.
you don't need to because there is lot of water. I mean, lot of steam is going on in that pot. So no. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting it pressure cook and for 12 to 13 minutes. It again
Oh.
depends on quality of your dal.
Uh,
Sometimes if you do like the moong wala dal, just ek आध minute kam kar do, but not a lot. No.
So
So
when
now-
you do with,
I'm sorry, is someone talking?
so when you do without the double potting, then how long does it take in a single Instapot?
10 minutes.
अच्छा, मेरी तो 3 मिनट में हो जाती है, कैसे?
No, I usually put it for 10 minutes. So maybe we like that pura gala hua dal.
No,
हमारी
and you
तो
soak
गट्टी
it
रहती है।
probably. Do you
No, I
soak
don't.
it?
No, nothing. Maybe it's organic. Maybe that's why.
I use
Even I take
normal
10 to
apna
12
deep wala.
minutes. Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, I keep it a little longer, like 15 to 20 sometimes,
Oh
you know,
my
because
God,
I like
really?
it like totally mushy. You know,
Oh,
like we
sambar
like
type.
it. Yeah.
Sambar
type,
type. We also
okay.
like it that. And as I said, it depends on the quality of the
Ah,
dal. You
quality of the dal.
know?
Right.
When I came to US, whatever years back, and I used to give like, I don't know, like 16, 17 whistles. And फिर भी वो दाल नहीं गलता था.
yes.
Really?
And then I stopped making dal. And then I started getting it from India. And that used to be like too much, like carrying like 4 or 5 kgs of
Yeah,
just dal leke ja rahe US.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that was too much. Then I got like this Deepka, and there is a brand called Bhavani where I live. So now it's perfect. Like, so
Yeah, I had that problem even very recently until a couple of months back where, you know, I would put so many whistles and it would not cook. I think it's the quality of dal.
quality
Yeah.
of dal.
It's the quality
And
of
as I
dal.
said, somebody from Colorado called me and she was like, "Kya yaar, tu instant pot karti rehti hai, meri dal to galti hi nahi hai." And I'm like, "What are you doing?" So then I suggested to put more water and more time. So now she is perfect because she changed the dal, she changed the timings, and now things are good at her house.
Good.
And I don't know why, but she bought another instant pot thinking this one is wrong or this one is bad.
Oh my God.
Like, okay. So
She
anyways,
got 2. So that's a good thing, right?
we are on that hot mode. All the ladies, we like this word. So we are here. And I am giving tadka in ghee. So again, it's the family's preference. If you want ghee, ghee. If you want oil, oil. Whatever you use. So I'm putting around 1 tablespoon of ghee in here. Good now. And I'm putting jeera. Can you all see it?
Yes.
Jeera. And now if you can see, it's fluttered quickly. It doesn't take any long.
Yeah.
Jeera. And now I'm going to turn off my Instant Pot because
bet-
this is the time when things will start burning.
Oh.
I'm turning off my Instant Pot right now.
But can you? But you can bring it to low, na? No.
We can, but right now it is like really hot.
Okay, done. It is
So once
done.
I put my onion in, I'm going to turn it on.
Okay, got it. Oh wow.
So after that goes my chili. So I use red
Um,
chili. You can use whichever chili you want. And
I
little bit
love
of
red
hing,
chilies. I love
and this is one small onion, white onion.
white onion.
Now I know that my Instant Pot is going to cool down quickly because of onion. I'm just going to turn on my Instant Pot. Turn on my Instant Pot.
So how many Instant Pot you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I
Okay.
have one Instant Pot lid. The air fryer lid.
Oh, okay, okay, got it.
So I have 3 6 quarts and I have 1 8 quarts.
8 quarts. Wow.
Mhm. So after the onion is little bit translucent, then only I'm putting my haldi, around a teaspoon of it, and this is cumin and coriander powder,
Okay.
and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste.
Hmm.
I'm not putting any salt right now. I'm going to put it later.
And no chili powder too?
No chili powder because I just put the chilies in it. So if you're putting red and green chilies, then you may not need. But again, your family, if they like it like really spicy, go ahead. And usually what I do is I give like tadka upar se. Like bahar nikalne ke baad, I give like a nice tadka to it.
Like a
So
tandoori style. I love.
tandoori style,
Yeah.
yeah. So
Dhaba style.
in that tadka, what I do is I put the like chopped, like really chopped garlic, red chili, and jeera, thoda sa jeera, and little bit of hing.
Mm.
So that what I do is when actually we are going to serve it to our guests, that's the time when I put the tadka.
Okay, we're coming over then.
Yes, because this dal you can make it like a day in advance. Also put it in the freeze.
Yeah.
And just jab koi aane wala hai, then put it out and give that nice tadka. So now what I'm going to do is before adding my dal, I'm adding 2 to 3 cups of water directly to it. And this is really hot water. This actually helps to reduce the cooking time, the cooking speed. People say that the pressure aane ke liye it takes 15-20 minutes. So this hot water helps that process to faster. When you add hot water to any of your gravies. So what I'm going to do, what I'm doing is I'm deglazing the pan with that water. See it or no? Deglazing is nothing but जो मैंने अभी तड़का दिया था and everything was like sticking down here. Now I just deglazed it with the water, and now I will add my dal to it.
This is half a cup or 1 cup?
This is 1 cup.
1 cup. Okay.
One which went in the like in pot, that was half a cup.
That's half. Yeah.
1 cup. ये तो मेरा week का हो गया दाल. And I'm adding more water to it. So I added around like 3 to 3.5 cups of water here.
Yeah.
I added a lot of water if you see. And after this goes my salt. And I put a little bit of mint and coriander ka mixture. It gives nice tangy taste to it.
So instead of kadhi patta, you putting this?
Yes.
Okay.
I put curry patta also, but it depends. Like.
ठीक है.
And So if you want, if you have rice, right now I'm not going to put another cup, but this is the tall trivet. It goes on it, and I put rice
Oh, nice.
on top of it. Or you can put potatoes here. अगर आपने दाल करना है and potato का सब्जी करना है, put potatoes here.
तो इसमें 2 कप दाल के साथ ऐसे ट्रिवेट रख सकते हैं? मुश्किल है ना?
I mean, I have put it.
I'll try next time and let you know. Yeah.
I mean, I always do this, honestly.
Yeah, क्योंकि तुम्हारी 3 की फैमिली ना, we have a big family, तो मेरी तो बहुत दाल बनती है.
But then trivet will submerge in it, and if you're okay with it, just go ahead with it. There is no harm in doing
तो
it.
कुछ नहीं है. ट्रिवेट तो
Yeah,
क्लीन ही
there is
होता
no
है.
harm in doing it.
Yeah.
Only thing is that it will be submerged.
बट मैं वही सोच रही थी, दाल चावल में तो नहीं आ जाएगी ना?
Give me 1 second, ना?
हाँ.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
नो, मैंने कहा अगर मैं 2 कप दाल रखूंगी ट्रिवेट के साथ, तो वो दाल चावल में तो नहीं आ जाएगी ना उबल के?
दाल चावल में नहीं आती. No, not at all.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
So I'm just turning off my saute mode, and I'm putting my manual mode on, and manual high. I'm going putting it for 10 minutes. Can you see it?
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah.
Okay. You know what? चावल दाल में गिर सकता है अगर वो आपने चावल बहुत ज्यादा रख दिया. But dal will never go inside chawal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you are like putting like maybe 3 cups of chawal and the pot is small, that pot wala
I got
is
it.
small, obviously it will
flow out. Yeah.
But ulta nahi hoga. I mean, the dal will never go in chawal.
मैंने तो आज तक measure करके कभी दाल बनाई नहीं, but I'm going to try this time. 2 cups of dal with trivet in my 8-quart instant, see what happens.
Please let me know.
I will.
Yeah.
I'm going to try this right after this session because I have not cooked lunch yet. So it's a good one. And Kirti, I have misplaced the containers that you have used, right? The containers that come with a pressure cooker, I misplaced them. What other containers do you use?
Give me 1 second. You're talking about the cup?
No, the containers.
The container is the dal you put, right? The dal and the rice, you cooked the dal and the rice in that.
Oh, okay. I mean the India wala.
India wala.
Okay, then this goes in there.
Okay, Pyrex goes. Okay.
Pyrex goes in there. Yes, Pyrex goes perfectly in any instant pot.
Okay.
Only thing is that again it needs to be smaller. Obviously, I mean, वो पूरा नहीं भरना चाहिए Pyrex वाला. It should be a little smaller.
Sideों पे space रहनी चाहिए to move around पानी को.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
So Pyrex goes, but put cold water in Pyrex. I would not recommend putting like directly hot water in it, because if the dal is washed in cold water, the cold and hot, it may break the container.
Kirti, quick question. Do we cover the bowls? अगर हम Pyrex use कर, how do we cover them?
If you have like मेरे पास जैसे steel वाला है, but steel only it goes. I mean steel or glass.
Okay, so we have to have a steel plate to cover it.
I have not tried it, but this is again the
Coral
one, yeah.
The
Coral.
Yeah,
Right.
This is
Shall we try
unbreakable.
that?
But
Can we
I have
try
not
that?
tried it. I wouldn't. I'm not sure, honestly.
I think anything that you try in an
Okay,
oven
thank you.
should go in the instant pot. Would that be safe to say?
Yes, actually yes.
Okay.
And
Okay,
if you
thank you.
don't have this cup for any reason that I have misplaced this cup, I usually use this. It is exactly same.
Acha.
Yeah, we have those bowls. Yeah.
The small coral bowl.
Yeah.
I don't know I don't know what you call it. It's a small.
दही वाला, दही खाते हैं.
Dahi wala, yeah. So in this actually I have no. In this actually I have put dahi also different containers. Mein.
Okay.
Yeah. The ramekins you can put for yogurt, and same with this also. So my son likes plain one. My daughter likes flavored one. So usually we put into.
That's nice.
Yeah. So yeah, when you have kids under 10 and they have a lot of things like
Absolutely.
and
Yeah.
Bonacea and kinds, you mom, all of us we become super moms. So
Yes.
Yeah.
yeah.
So
So
you set
again,
it in that, like the yogurt, you set it in the ramekins, you're saying, like when you make the yogurt in the instant
yes.
pot? Oh,
Yes.
okay. Okay, that's a
Yeah.
good idea.
So what I do is I usually put it on the trivet. Like I think 3 ramekins I can put it in one trivet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you put
Not
in
more
yogurt
than
mode.
that. Don't overcrowd anything. And in
Yeah,
fact,
yeah. I
Whoa.
normally do it in the Pyrex bowl, my yogurt. I
Right.
never tried the flavored one. How do you do the flavored one?
Just add any flavor. Like as I said, my daughter likes like strawberries one, so I put like very small chunks of strawberries in it. If you want vanilla one, just put little bit of vanilla extract in it, like that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me try that. Yeah.
Yeah, just the way you would make normal yogurt. So what I do is I do that boiling and everything here,
Yeah.
and then take a ladle and put the same mixture in 3
yeah.
containers, and
Okay.
then put whatever I want.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And give me one second, I will show you something else.
So you have to let the milk cool, then you put the topping, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool in
Yeah.
the sense not like completely cool, but room
हाँ,
like
हाँ.
touchable hona chahiye.
हाँ,
Yeah.
touch
Yeah.
So what I do is this is my egg
Yeah.
ka hai ye. So what I do is on this I put like 3 ramekins, and on top I put my tall trivet, and on that I put like a bigger ye wala.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So pura ye ho jata hai. हाँ, it's like you're stacking it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
you put this, and then on top of this, you put the
Yes.
other. Okay.
Yes.
That's
So-
a good idea.
Yeah,
Let me try
because
that.
see, those are like very small containers, it's like one time wala.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That do you have to do it
Yeah.
daily then?
So it's like
Yeah.
weekend wala nakhre jo hai na, that is that. And
Yeah.
otherwise, during the week, this is the one.
Yeah.
Take
Let
it
me
out
try
and
that.
eat it.
Yeah. That's a good tip. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now I
Uh,
bought the 3-quart one. So I just directly make it in that. The 3-quart container.
Right. It's
That's
cute.
a good one. So that's enough for me to make the yogurt.
Right. It's cute and it's small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
So
cute actually. Like I like it. It's very cute.
usually I suggest that one for the kids who go to the dorm.
Yeah.
Or somebody who's
Yes.
staying like all by themselves and they don't have any grandkids or kids visiting them quite often. Like
Yeah.
people who
Yeah.
are in senior livings.
Yeah.
I usually suggest to that crowd, the smaller
Yeah.
ones. 6-quart is even if your kids are like in college, but they obviously come 5
Yeah,
months
yeah,
of
yeah.
the year
Yeah.
they're home for
Yeah.
something or the other. So for that family, I would say 6 quarts.
Yeah. I
And,
have two. Yeah.
yeah,
I
and
have
if
6
somebody
and a
has
3.
like more than 5 people at home, just go ahead and buy that 8 quarts. It's a
Yeah.
best investment.
I
Yeah.
did this. I did that exact same thing. So when my daughter went to college, I sent her this 3-quart, and it really worked well for her. Except
Yeah.
for rice, because she used to always be in a hurry to have the rice. So I also gave her a 1-liter cooker. So she said that was faster because it takes only 7 minutes, but in the instant pot it takes longer. And it really worked for her. Now she's
But
back.
can you ask her to try it with hot water next time?
Good idea. Yeah.
Also, there is a what do you say? There is a button or there is something. I mean, one mode in Instant Pot which says delay timing.
Yes.
Have you used it?
I have not.
Okay. Abhijit,
I
can
don't
you
know
give me
how to
that
use it.
pot, please? I'll show you in my third pot. Wow.
Okay.
Because that's a good point that you wrote. I mean, exactly. That's that's what it is. Like don't use our pots to their maximum capacities, I feel. I don't know if you can see it or not. Hey, Khali.
Yes.
Can you see it?
I think there's too much of light for, I mean, it's quite bright there. So
Now,
we can see the buttons. We don't know what is written on the buttons.
Okay. Yes, I do. Give me 1 second.
Yeah. It's not too visible, but if you're showing us a delay button.
Light here. Oh,
no.
can you? Oh, no.
No, but just point out, point out.
Anyways, I will
Just
just
point
tell
out.
you what
Yeah.
it is. Yeah.
Just point out. Yeah.
Okay. There is a button called delay start here.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I do is, give me 1 second. So what I do is with that delay start, put the delay start button. Okay. And let's say I want to have my dinner at 6 in the evening. Okay, but I'm working and I don't know what to do. So what I do is dal rice, I put it in the morning. I press delay start. Now coming to pressure, releasing the pressure, let's say, let's ballpark is to 15 minutes. 15 minutes coming to pressure, releasing is 15 minutes. So that is half an hour. My pot is going to need to cook 10 minutes. So on an average, 1 hour before I want to have my dinner, so delays timer, then it automatically, I think, goes to 6 hours. Okay. So if I'm putting it 9 in the morning and I want to have it at 6 in the evening, so 5 o'clock. Okay. So I'll calculate the hours and I'll say, let's say 6 hours or 7 hours, that plus and minus you can press for whatever hours you want, and put manual 10 minutes, start it. The cooking will start exactly after 6 minutes, 6 hours. So what happens is, what usually we do is, like, if I'm going in the morning and I'm cooking lentils in it, so I don't mind my lentils sitting in water for 6 hours. It's always good for any lentil, honestly. So I don't mind. But yeah, if I'm making a potato sabzi in the evening, if I'm making chicken in the evening, I will never do this because it may spoil the food. So dal rice is always okay to get it soaked for like 6, 7, 10, whatever hours. In fact, it is going to be like really good if my dal is soaking in that kind of water. So you can ask your daughter, like, she can put it in the night. And if she's leaving in the morning, like let's say at 5 o'clock, so 4 o'clock, the Instant Pot should start. By 5 o'clock, everything will be done. She can take her dabba and go to work or her college.
Yeah.
Same goes to eggs. What happens is, we put like eggs in the Pyrex container, or we put the eggs in this eggs wala trivet, and in the night we put it. So for boiled eggs I'm talking about. So what we do is 5 minutes, my husband puts it in the night, and it starts cooking only in the morning. The egg is not going to be like, I mean, it's not going to get spoiled. Nothing happens because pressure is not getting started only till 6 in the morning. So 6 it starts, it completes its work, and then when kids come down for breakfast, the eggs are already ready.
I've done with chickpeas overnight. I've done that because you need
like any
soaking,
lentils.
rajma. Yeah.
Any lentils for that matter, as I said.
But don't they go bad, like the eggs, if you keep it outside for like 10, 12 hours? No?
And we've been doing it for past like 5 years now. No.
Oh, okay.
Never, in fact.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you keep it like for more than 24 hours, it may. But that we don't do. We do it in the night. So let's say at 10 o'clock in the night, we start, we put it in the Instant Pot, and 7-ish it starts cooking. By 8-ish it's out. 8:15 eat it and go to school.
I have left eggs out for 2 days and nothing has happened.
I'm sorry.
I have left the eggs out for 2 days and nothing has happened.
Exactly, but we don't know about the pot because it is in that. I mean, it's a very, what do you say? It's in a pressure thing, you know. So we don't know about the pot. So I don't want to take risk
Yeah.
with that. But outside, yes, nothing happens to eggs. But then, as I said, like I will not put anything in delay timer which may get, which may go bad, like potatoes, chicken, some sabzis. So, but lentils, go ahead with it.
Rice? Rice is also okay?
Rice is also okay. Then nothing happens to rice.
Okay.
See, we ferment also. Rice, we ferment
Yeah,
also for a long
yeah.
time. So, and we eat that. So, nothing happens to rice. No. But what I would suggest is if you're doing like for 1 cup, 2 cups of water, just put 1 cup, 2.5 cups of water, because the rice is going to puff up in the water for that period of time.
That's
So
right.
that I mean that delay timer we have used a lot of times. So many times in the evening we go out for shopping, and then after coming back, you know that you want to eat food. That's when we do that. On weekends. Okay, so on weekends also it's very helpful. So you don't end up eating outside because you don't have anything at home to eat.
Yeah.
Like mall shopping or any shopping, like a grocery shopping. Bless you.
Oh, thank
Whoever
you.
it is.
Sorry. Sorry, I put it on mute.
Okay. So here we have 3 minutes, and here we have I don't know how many minutes. But both the pots we are not going to do quick release. So if you have any other questions.
I have a question, Kriti. Can I ask you something?
Give me 1 second. I want to change my view. So
Okay.
I see everything. Yeah, go ahead.
So when I take my Instapot out and put on the counter, it smells like a food. I know I clean the sides like you showed with the brush. I take a small butter knife, put the kapda around and go around it, clean it. But what is that smell coming? Is there a way to clean inside the coil or something? Because मुझे वो बहुत गंदी लगती है स्मेल जब मैं लाती हूँ तो मुझे इंडियन कुकर तो जब हम पहले कुकर यूज करते थे वो लाते थे उसमें से कभी नहीं आती थी इसमें से मुझे एकदम इंडियन कुक लाइक द मसालों की स्मेल आती है which I understand because I'm cooking so much in there. Lead is clean, everything is clean. वो जो बेस है उसमें से स्मेल क्यों आती है?
I don't know what to do with that because you are right. It does. The coils could smell, but then what I do is always. Sorry, something
No,
was.
it's okay.
Fine.
Maybe I should try the lemon thing, but it's not the pot; it's the base.
So what I do is, how do you keep your pot once you have used it?
I take out the Instapot, I clean it, put it sideways, and then I let it cool down and then put in the pantry.
Okay, so always put it like this.
हाँ.
Never close it and keep it.
हाँ, ठीक नहीं वैसे ही रखती हूँ दूसरी तरह ही.
Like this. Always keep it. Like
हाँ, ऐसे
the
रखती हूँ.
logic there, Kirti, why would you?
The air will circulate, right? I mean, if you put it like this, the air is going to circulate. If you put it like this, it is going to be as a pressure cooker.
Yeah. No, I put it the other way, but still, I think I have to figure out कि coil को कैसे साफ किया जाए.
So what coil, I don't know honestly, but if you, I don't know where you live, but if you live in like Florida or some dry places, just try putting it outside on your deck for some time. See, that is what I do with my ring. So what I do is, you see, right now it's very cold here. I'm in East Coast. But usually during the summers, what we do is I hang my ring outside. So what happens is because of lot of sun, the ring, the color fades if there is any yellowish tinge or anything on it. Even if there is haldi on your white top, try keeping it outside, it will fade.
It is so funny. My lid comes out absolutely clean. आज तक उस पे दाल touch भी नहीं की है.
That's good. Good for you. But then if at all happens, and if you think that I have not used it, I have not washed it, or
Yeah, okay.
even if I wash it, it smells funny. It doesn't look the way it used to look when it came
Right.
in the beginning. So put it outside for around 24 to 48 hours, and
Great.
the ring, the smell, and the color will be good.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Also, try putting it, not your pot obviously, but the lid and the ring and other components which come with it. Try putting it in vinegar and soda mixture, the baking
Right.
soda mixture,
Right.
and it will be good to go.
I think we need to ask Instapot how to clean the inner pot of the Instapot. The
But
inner.
when you store it, do you store the container inside the Instapot or do you store the container outside? The steel. We can't hear you.
Inside.
Inside. Okay.
Yeah, I store it
Inside.
inside.
Yeah. Inside. Yeah.
So that, because it's clean, right?
Yeah.
And when you usually the instant pot doesn't have an inner pot for like 4 or 5 hours because it's already in the dishwasher or whatever. So my instant pot has already had like nice breathing to itself. So
Yeah,
then I just put it in it. So one less spot
Okay.
on my kitchen counter.
Jaga.
Yeah. So kitni bhi jagah ho ghar mein, but you just feel that it's still
Seriously.
less.
Yeah.
So that's how I do. And so if you have any more questions, and next time I plan to cook chicken, like basic curry wala chicken.
Yeah.
So if anyone wants anything else, let me know.
No, chicken is good.
Yeah.
Looking forward to
And
it.
I plan to do like a basic pulao recipe.
Okay.
So chicken and pulao will be for next Sunday.
Awesome. And I would like to tell all of you who are on the call today that next Sunday on, the timing will change to 10 a.m. CST. I didn't realize Kirti was in the east, is in the East Coast. And when we spoke about 11 o'clock, Kirti was talking about East Coast 11 o'clock. I was talking about East Central 11 o'clock. And, there was a confusion there. So from next class on, it'll be 10 CST, 11 EST. The timing will just change. And I think that will be better for us also, so that whatever Kirti is teaching, we can cook and have
You
it.
can eat.
Yeah.
So what I'm planning to do is next time, maybe on, let's say, Thursday or Friday, I'll put the ingredient list. So if you plan to cook the same thing on Sunday, we all can cook it together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do that.
So that will be maybe, obviously,
what-
if you don't have 2 pots, you will not be able to cook both the things simultaneously. But what I'll do is I'll tell you how to cook jeera rice and chicken at the same time.
Oh, thank you.
Those who don't have like 2 pots and they don't want to do any pulao on the same day. So let's cook jeera rice and what I said, chicken in one pot and just pulao in other pot.
Okay.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So I'm sorry.
I have a question. I'm Anuja. I'm speaking from Prisha's domain.
Hey Anuja.
Hi. My question was, the thing that I was looking for is, you can tell me which session you want to tell me. So I can do basic cooking, like the rice, dal you showed and the rice in Instapot. I own one. But what I do not know is what all I can make. Like some people, when we came over here, we were like, oh, you can boil potatoes in the microwave. But I don't know what all can be done in the Instapot. Is what I was really, because I think I'm underutilizing the Instapot that I have. And I think that I'm just using it mainly for the things that I can otherwise cook in the pressure cooker. It's just that it cooks faster in the Instapot. But there are so many things that people like you who are Instapot pros, we're like, okay, this you can make in Instapot, that, and those things I can't even imagine that could be cooked in an Instapot. Like, for example, I think sometime back you told me you can make shira in an Instapot. So would there be a session where you can tell us,
Yes, my third session, that's a good question, Anuja. My third session, which is session after 7th February, so I think 14th Feb. Oh,
Okay.
Valentine's Day. So
Yeah.
we can cook like nice sweets that day. How about that? Are we all comfortable cooking on Valentine's Day?
Yeah, please.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I will make sure that we learn that day Shira, basic Shira or Suji ka halwa, what we call it, that day. And I'll show you what else can I
So
show.
how many Instapots do we need then that day?
2.
2. Okay, we need to buy more. Okay.
No, don't buy more. I mean, I can show you, and many of these recipes are there on my YouTube channel. So
Okay.
I can just put the link here, and if you say that no, I missed it, then you're good to go.
Yeah.
So Shira is there on my YouTube channel, but I really want to show it here because not everyone is comfortable going on YouTube, clicking there and everything. And sometimes it's easier to ask questions live when we are doing it. You cannot ask a YouTuber, ye kaise karna hai kinds. So I will make Shira on 14th Feb, and we can make maybe sabudana kheer,
Yeah.
sabudana pudding.
Yeah.
That we can make. And Anuja, your question was what all can you do? So I have cooked or I have steamed broccoli in 0 minutes. Every time we steam broccoli, 0 minutes, manual.
How do you do that?
So you put the trivet, put a steamer basket, whichever steamer basket you have,
Okay.
which is Instant Pot safe. Put the steamer basket, put washed broccoli in it, lid on, put it on the sealing mode, and 0 minutes manual.
Oh.
So when you hit manual, it will go on 6-5 whatever minutes, go down to 0 minutes.
Okay.
And usually the pressure is not that much that you are going to release the pressure after that. The pin pops down like really quickly. Within 1 minute, the pin is down. If you think, no, the pin has been there sitting, I don't know why, it will not happen. But if it happens, just quick release it.
Okay. Okay.
So 0 minutes for it. Suji ka, upma.
Okay.
Upma or uppit, I don't know. Upma we call it, all of us.
Dokla.
So dhokla is like 10-12 minutes I do it. Like normal cooker mein jitna karoge aap, the same way.
For
Steamer
upma,
mein, I make in steamer.
Upma you were saying? Like how many minutes?
Upma I was saying, upma is again 1 minute.
Oh.
So you
and how much water you put? 1:2?
You put the Instant Pot on saute mode. You give like tadka and whatever you do normally. Again, remember to put it on hot. I mean, it should turn hot and then only put the oil.
Yeah.
We do that. And after that, for 1 cup of suji, okay, let me start with this. First of all, you need to saute the suji, like dry suji, just the way you would saute it like for normal upma.
Yeah.
If you have the roasted one got from Indian grocery store, just you don't need to do this step. But otherwise, just saute it in your Instant Pot, dry roast it, keep it aside, put it on saute mode again, turn it hot.
I'm sorry, I can't do mix and match. I just put it to charge.
Turn it hot. I'm sorry. The suji, give tadka, nice tadka to it. Put suji in it. For 1 cup of suji, at least 4 cups of water I'll put.
Oh, 4 cups is it?
Yes. Because suji fulta hai.
Yeah.
And वो फूलने से ही वो अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
If it is, we don't want that suji like kharkhara suji. So we need like nice and soft, mushy suji.
Okay.
So I'll put 4 cups of water, and then I will put it manual, high, 1 minute.
1 minute. Oh, okay.
1 minute.
Okay.
So that's about it. So what I'm planning to do on that WhatsApp group, I'll give all of you options, like 5 options, and you please let me know what all you want to
Can you show us one day like the Sabudana khichdi? Can you do it in?
Yeah, that is also on my Instant Pot YouTube channel.
Oh, it's on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, I can.
Yeah, I made gajar ka halwa too. It's easy. Once you have to play around. Yeah.
As I said, I will play around.
Yeah.
Okay, so our dal is done.
Oh.
અડધો કલાક થયો.
Thanks, Kirti. I'm sorry, my camera is not working on this computer, so I couldn't turn it on. But thank you. Thanks a lot for answering my question.
No problem. Thank you. Welcome, Anuja. Can you see it?
Yeah, looks very nice.
Yep.
Perfect.
It's perfectly done.
Yes.
And for this dal, the water is okay to have like little water because we are going to put it on our rice.
Yeah.
So, if you think, oh my goodness, the water is too much, put saute mode on, let it go, let it cook, and you are good to go. Don't worry that, oh my god, ye kya ho gaya? Kuch nahi hua hai. Put the saute mode on, and usually we have time in kitchen. It's not that why I'm saying not that I have a lot of time or you all have a lot of time, but usually we are doing so many things around that this thing doesn't need any babysitting.
That's a good
whistle. Kitne whistle hua hai and kya hua hai and isko bolo usko bolo, you are not doing anything.
That's what I enjoy the most actually. Don't have to
Exactly. So I am doing something else. Let's say I'm making a tadka for my dal. Put it on saute.
मैं तो मूंग का दाल का हलवा बनाया इसमें बहुत अच्छा.
Neelam ji, I'm going to take classes from you now. You are a pro.
Just play around, trust me. Like you said.
So this is what I did. I just pressed the button for my dal and rice. You don't need to do that. It was already 18 minutes. I'm sure it is cooked. So I just did that. And if you see, the steam is very less than the older.
I like it.
See.
तो ये जब कूल डाउन होता है ये अपने आप ऊपर आ जाता है जैसे उसका भी आ जाता है.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't know. Can you see it? ये देखो ऊपर आ गया.
Yeah.
So I just pressed this button and it fell. It went down. And the water is going in my inner ring.
Oh, अच्छा, ठीक है. Wow, you have a lot of dal today.
I have a lot of dal now, yes.
You can make sambar, कुछ भी बनाओ.
Sambar also I make it directly in it. I don't cook dal here and दूसरा sambar वाला.
हाँ, right.
Can you give me that?
क्योंकि सब्जियां भी बॉईल तो करनी है तो साथ में हो जाता है, right?
Everything is done together.
हाँ, yeah.
Sambar, I never used to make so much of sambar with my dosas and all, but now it's like, अच्छा इडली बनाना है, sambar बना देती हूँ. It's that easy. It was never that easy for me. My mother-in-law my mother-in-law's mother is from Kerala, and
so they like.
नहीं ये तो इतना टाइम लगेगा ये लगेगा and I'm like no it's okay. She's like, oh okay. So yeah,
you're the best daughter-in-law looks like.
About it.
I think the best part I like about Instapot, मुझे इसमें पाव भाजी बहुत अच्छी लगती बनानी.
Right.
One shot में सब कुछ और अपना blender लो उसे blend कर लो और हो गई छुट्टी.
That's my plan this evening. I have the veggies boiled in.
Put little bit beetroot to give a nice color.
Yes, that's what I always do. It's nice color.
Yeah. Oh wow. Nice. I always want to try this, but हमारी family इतनी बड़ी मैं कर ही नहीं पाती ये trivet thing.
So,
wow. Can we make like दो सब्जियां गोभी आलू और मटर आलू इसमें सूखे?
गोभी yes, 6 गोभी मतलब आप cabbage बोल रहे हो या गोभी like cauliflower?
गोभी cauliflower.
Cauliflower again 1 minute.
और उसमें थोड़ा पानी डालना पड़ेगा कि नहीं?
See, for instant pot, it needs to come to pressure. So you need water.
You need water.
Whatever you do, you need water. So half a cup is recommended by instant pot.
Okay, got it.
And for patta gobi, like cabbage, it's 6 minutes, half cup water for, let's say, 2 cups of patta gobi. Give nice tadka to it. Usually I put chana dal in it and 6 minutes manual high.
Kitna minute?
6.
6 minutes. Okay, got it. I'll try that.
6 minutes manual high. So I think, Kalai?
And how much did you say for the cauliflower? Oh, 1. Okay.
Because cauliflower can become mushi like this.
Yeah.
The 1 minute maybe mushi ho jata hai. Pata nahi, I must be doing something wrong.
Put it 0 minutes.
I've never tried that. I'm going to try that. Look, I'm learning so much.
It depends on the chunks you make. Like if you're making like very small chunks, so then it's going to be like 0 minutes, I would say. But if it is like a little bit bigger, then I would say 1 minute is okay. But 1 minute manual and quick release.
Okay, got it.
Okay, then I think.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful session. You gave us so many tips, so many things that at least I didn't know many of the stuff. I've been using Instapot like any other cooker and not taking advantage of the maximum advantage of the features that is there. The time is 12:30 and 12:23, of course, but we didn't know how the time just quickly went away. Thank you again for volunteering your time, and thank you all the other participants listening to this. We will meet again next week. Remember, 10 a.m. CST, 11 a.m. EST.
Yes.
And we can continue with our chats and questions in our WhatsApp group with Kirti.
And meantime, if you all can like and share my YouTube channel, that would be really helpful to me.
Yes.
And helpful to you all.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nanda.
Thank you,
all.
Kirti. Bye.